Well, hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with a new kitchen gadget. Well, actually, this is more than just a kitchen gadget. I've used one exactly like this for years. This is a replacement because my grandchildren were eager to get in the pool and they were testing the water temperature and it fell in the pool. So I got a new one. This one I just picked up a few weeks ago. And by the way, this is a professional tool, and you would be amazed how the price has come down. You can check that with the link in the description. Now, one of the ways I used to use this is I used to have a motorhome, and I actually used to tow a car behind the motorhome. And when I was fueling up, I would walk around checking the tire temperatures. I knew that if I had a tire that was extremely high in temperature compared to the other ones, it was low on air and it might blow out on the road, and I would be much better off dealing with it right there. One of the main ways I use this infrared thermometer is to make sure my cast iron skillet is hot enough when I grill roasted chicken. I also use it to check my refrigerator. A normal refrigerator runs between 38 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so it makes it very easy to check. It's also handy for checking the pool temperature. Now, 76 degrees is fine for the grandkids, but that's definitely too cold for Grandpa. This thing runs on two AAA batteries that come pre-installed. You just pull the tab to activate them. The display shuts off automatically to save battery life. Using it is basically point and shoot. You aim it at the surface you want to check and hold the trigger. It has a hold mode, so when you let go, the temperature stays right on the screen. There is a button to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius and another to turn the laser on and off. Now, the laser helps you aim. If you point it at an AC vent, the laser ensures you're checking the actual air temperature and not the ceiling next to it. The third button is for emissivity. Now, that's just a fancy word on how well the sensor reads different surfaces, especially thick, shiny ones like bare metal. It comes factory preset at 0.95, and honestly, it's highly unlikely you will ever need to touch it. And like I mentioned earlier, I picked up this exact model for under 20 bucks. If you want to grab one for your own kitchen or to check your car tire temperature, I put an affiliate link down in the video description. Hey, thanks for watching.